Okay, so to put the grill and the surround together, start with the grill. It will fit through here. Set it down low, keep it out of the way. So we're gonna need access up here. Up here we have these, well, we got 3 of them. They are threaded rod with nuts on them. Excuse me. They're gonna go through here and connect to the back side of this top cowling piece. These are captive nuts. These captive nuts are not quite in the right place, which makes this all so much more difficult. But that's another story. On the surround itself, we have these clip nuts. There's one here, and there's one down here. I've enlarged the holes all around, just because nothing lines up very well. Sorry for the noise in the background. They're doing construction work outside. Okay, now very carefully. It's going to go there. It's going to hang out, and this goes up here. And these bolts go in from the back. So this top piece actually came with some little, these little tiny bolts already in it. They come out. Don't use them. You need the nut that's on the threaded rod to act as a spacer for this. Otherwise, it's not going to line up right. The next step, where the clip nuts are in the middle, we're going to use these focus. We're going to use these heavily threaded nuts, bolts. They go in first to kind of hold it in place, and then we can attach the other 4 positions. No real way to show this now. I'm going to attach nuts and washers on the back of the threaded studs that are here and here. Yeah, so there you go. In the end, it's if you know what you're doing, it takes about an hour to put it in. It's doesn't seem like it's that complicated, but getting stuff to line up really difficult.